Today is our new vlog. Today we have successfully completed our workout. We had done 30 minutes of walking, then we did 12 minutes of stair climbing, and then we have done 50 push-ups. So yeah.
And friends, we also did something new today. We feed the birds with pearl millet, which is also known as Bajra, and it felt really good. So we also suggest you to feed some street animals and birds also. It will also make you feel good.
Yeah, so everybody start your morning with healthy workout, eat healthy food.
Yes.
It will help your muscles and body.
Yes.
So yeah.
And did something noble cause daily. Try to do something, a little bit effort of you can help the society grow well, and each effort counts, and a positive man, a positive citizen creates a positive society.
Yeah.
So always take care of your surrounding also, and best of luck for your journey, and stay tuned for our next vlog. Thanks.
Have a great day.